Good morning! Happy Sunday! At dahil Sunday today, late akong nagising. Gising na, Mitch!
Alexa, alarm cancel.
Today, the weather is not nice. Very gloomy and sad. Maybe that's why medyo masakit din ang pakiramdam ko. Dahil sa weather, paiba-iba. Malamig, mainit, malamig na naman, tapos mainit na naman. Hi, Melbourne nga naman. Tara!
Morning!
At bago ang lahat, toothbrush muna tayo. Then, hilamos time. Ito pala ang gamit kong panghilamos. Kanta-kanta. May talaga akong kumanta. Pero yung kanta ayaw sa akin eh. Ayan. Every morning, pakahilamos, naglalagay talaga ako ng moisturizer. Lalo na kapag malamig dito sa Melbourne. Kasi namamalat talaga yung skin ko. Ayan. Siyempre, maliligo naman later. Kaya moisturizer lang pag morning. Lalo na kapag nasa bahay ka lang naman at walang work. Mahilig talaga akong gulatin ng sarili ko.
Let's go! Good morning!
Pagkatapos, ayan, maliwanag na maliwanag na. Gagawa tayo ng breakfast. At ang ating breakfast ay kamote at avocado. At of course, itlog. Not for me only, for Zayden na din. At ayan, kakanta na naman nga ako dyan. Fast forward, at gutom na nga.
Dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the trance, looking so beautiful, I know you deserve this. Got you perfect. Dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I feel I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I know it.
At ayan na ang ating avocado at kamote. Lalagyan din natin ng almonds and cashew and other nuts. And after that, we're gonna put some yogurt. Hindi ko na din mag-video kasi gutom na nga ako. Tada! Tara! Kain! Ito na nga ang ating breakfast for today. I add this video because this video I didn't know that my phone is still recording until I noticed. I was like, what? Anyway, thank you for watching everyone. Bye.